In a burst of chaos, the player dives into a flawless combo that instantly devolves into cartoon chaos. Rapid cuts flash between sprinting action and blundered slips as the crowd erupts at every unexpected reset and miss. The crowd roars as a hidden shortcut teleports the hero into a wall and bounces back with ridiculous momentum. Reaction faces freeze frame with exaggerated zooms while the soundtrack punches in and out, creating a roller coaster of laughs. Lightning-fast edits match the tempo of the game, delivering hype yet playful moments that prove skill and humor can collide.